Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 8, JavaScript and HTML Elements. Lesson 8.1, JavaScript and HTML Elements. We can use JavaScript to manipulate the HTML elements in the body section of our HTML. We'll take a look at 4 ways to do that. We have create element, create text node, append child, insert before. Suppose we wanted to add some latest news comments to our web page. The news changes all the time. So we want a quick and easy way to update the news on the page. We can do it with an external JavaScript file that references an ID in the body of the HTML. The first thing to notice when we access the code is the script tags in the head section. The important part in the body of the HTML is this part, footer. This sets up an ID called footer. When the button below is clicked, it will call a function with the name latest news. We'll create this function in our JavaScript file. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.